Hey guys, welcome to another MSM video. This is Diecast Roundup, and that is your monthly roundup of really cool diecasts that Peter and I have found, and we share it with you, hoping to inspire you, hoping to get you out collecting, get you out searching. Just fun to show you some of the really cool stuff that we got. And this month it is full of bangers. We have Mini GT, we have Spark, we have a Kaido House, Hot Wheels. It's packed with some really cool models, so let's get to checking those out. As always, if you're enjoying the videos, please like the ones that you enjoy, and please subscribe if you haven't already. We're shooting to try to get to 1,000 subs this year, and we are well on our way. Anyhow, let's get into this month's roundup, and at the end of the video, I'll have a card for last month's roundup in case you missed it.